Good day everyone and welcome again to May's Kitchen, and today's recipe will be our famous bistek or Bistek Tagalog. Yes, today we will do this recipe and our ingredients are: first we will heat our olive oil. So what is bistek, guys? Bistek Tagalog is a classic Filipino dish made of thinly sliced beef marinated and braised in a mixture of citrus juice, more commonly the local fruit calamansi, or here we're just using the lemon. And then with soy sauce, onions, garlic and pepper. This is a delicious medley of salty, tangy, and savory flavors. It's traditionally served with steamed rice. It is also known as beef steak. It was adapted from the Spanish bistek encebolado to suit our local taste and indigenous ingredients. So guys, now I'm sauteing our red onions. In the other hand, guys, I already marinated our beef by simply combining the soy sauce, lemon juice, and ground black pepper in a bowl, and also the garlic. I marinated it for more than 1 hour to make sure that the taste will really get into the meat. It will be better if you can place everything in a resealable Ziploc bag and let all the air out before sealing. The minimum marinade time is 1 hour, but doing it overnight is ideal. Just to pan fry this or saute the onions. Make sure that it's not really overcooked. So I'm taking it one by one from the hot oil, and then I'll just pan fry the marinated beef slices and onions. And make sure to drain the remaining marinade before frying the beef. Save the marinade and we will use it later.
So we will try to saute. We will try to fry it one by one.
The beef needs to be tenderized. So here I'm putting it all in the pan. And later we'll cover the pan and simmer until the beef becomes really tender. This is where good quality meat and cuts stand out. It is important to use the freshest beef and select tender cuts such as sirloin and top round. And after that, we'll put water or add water if the liquid starts to dry out. And then we can season it with more ground black pepper and salt it if we need it. For additional information for the nutrition value of our bistek recipe, for a serving of 4 grams, it contains calories of 279 kilocalorie, carbohydrates of 1 gram, protein of 31 grams, fat 15 grams, saturated fat 2 grams, cholesterol 74 milligrams, sodium 1095 milligram, potassium 500 milligram, and vitamin C 0.8 milligram, calcium 34 milligram, iron 2.8 milligram. So now it's already simmering and it smells already very good. So as you can see here, we already added our marinade, the remaining marinade and water. We just bring it to boil, let it simmer. We cover the pan, simmer until the meat is tender. And note, we need to add water as needed. So here guys, I added a little bit of soya for taste. You can estimate how salty you want it to be. You can also add salt, but here I prefer to add soya. So I just let it simmer or boil. And it really smells already so good. So now we will just mix all of it so that the taste will evenly spread. Really tastes so, it really smells so good. And we will try to taste one slice of the beef to make sure that it's already cooked, or does it still needs to have a little time. So guys, here I just let it simmer for around 5 to 10 minutes. And afterwards, we will put the onion rings on top of our beef.
Our onion rings. So this is our bistek. Smells so good. And we will taste it. Who is Noah? Lekker?
Ja.
Lekker! Smakelijk, Noah!
Mama.
Smakelijk! Now I will taste it myself. Let's taste it. Very good.
And I have here also the Westmalle beer from Belgium. This tastes so good.
Wow, guys, it tastes so good. From Westmalle, Belgium. Thank you for watching. Bye.